Hi, welcome everyone. This course is SolidWorks for beginners, for those who has just started their journey in SolidWorks. So when you start your SolidWorks, the front screen look like this. There are multiple portion of SolidWorks. So let's say that this portion is basically called the file menu or menu bar, where multiple options are available. So this option is called search bar. When you start your SolidWorks, the front screen look like this. And let's say that if you want to open a new file, then there is option control. uh, N is the shortcut of creating new documents. So new documents look like this. So here are three parts. One is called the part modeling. Then there is the assembly, that is the assembly of the parts, and there is a drawing, that is the conversion of that parts details into a drawing format in orthographic projection, either in first angle of projection or third angle of projection. So there is another option called advanced here. Here you can also select part, assembly and drawing modeling from here. So if you are easy with that, you can select that option. Otherwise you can click on novice and come back to the front screen. So let's say that when you click on the part modeling and click OK, the main screen of the SolidWorks will open. And in main screen again we have multiple options. So let's say that the upper portion is called the menu bar, and that portion is called the toolbar option, where multiple options are available. Let's you are starting a sketch, then sketch toolbar will be activated, and the option for the sketching the geometry will appear here. So on the left side is called the model tree toolbar. All the features that you are generating will be present here. So if you generate first feature, it will be present at the top, and the further feature will be present after that. On the right side is the white screen here present here. That is the graphic window, and that is called the triad, where the three axis, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis are represented, and the unit is appear at the bottom of the screen. Currently IPS units are selected, so it is advised that when you selected your part modeling, always check the unit first in which unit system you are working. And the bottom bar is called basically the status bar, that will tell you the active commands and the tasks that you are performing here. So starting with the SolidWorks, there are two parts. One is called the sketch based feature, and other is called the solid feature. So first, for the solid feature body, you are going to create a sketch. In sketch bar we have multiple options here. So for this activating of sketch, you have three planes here: front plane, top plane and side plane, right plane. So these planes are basically perpendicular to each other. So whatever plane at the start you select for this sketching, you can activate sketcher by multiple methods. So first one is, after selecting the plane, you can activate the sketcher by clicking the sketch option here. So the sketcher will be activated. So once when the sketcher is activated, there will be a exit sketch here present here, that will tell you that if you click this option, that you are going outside the sketch, or there is a cross sign available at the right side of the screen. So you can exit the sketch by clicking this option. So let's say that I'm going to exit the sketch. Another way is to activate the sketcher is simply by clicking the front plane and selecting the first option, that is the sketch command. So that is the way of activating the sketcher within the SolidWorks. So another way, if you forget this to select the plane here, simply you can click on the sketch, then SolidWorks asks you what plane you are going to sketch. So again you can select multiple ways. For first one is the mouse middle wheel button. So you can press mouse middle wheel button and rotate the planes. So you can select any of the three planes available here, or another option is to click on the screen corner and select the plane you are going to sketch, then that plane will be your sketching plane. So first command, that is the basic command of the SolidWorks, is the line command. So shortcut key of line command is the L key, or you can simply click on the line command. So basically what is line? Line is, definition of the line is basically the connection between 2 points. So in engineering drawing, always sketch start with the point. So points make a line, and lines make a plane, and planes make a solid body. So starting with the first command, that is the line command. So once the line is activated, on the left side of the screen is the properties of the line command. So first one is the as sketch menu. So what is as sketch menu is that you can simply click on left side and left mouse button click on anywhere and drag the line anywhere on the screen, and when you click on the left mouse button the line will be created. So it is like a chain command that when where you click the third click, the line will be placed here. So multiple clicks, multiple lines will be generated. So let's say that if you want to uh, come out of the line command, simply you can press the escape key of your keyboard, or simply right click of your mouse and click select button. So the line command will be deactivated. So if you want to again activate the line command, you can simply click on the line command option here. So let's say that if you want to delete all the lines, you can simply select the lines by left mouse button click at the start and click the delete button. The line will be deleted here. So we will see the other option in the future videos, that how you can delete the lines command or whatever sketch feature you want to delete. Another method is the box method selection, in which you highlight, you will click on this button in the top bar and click the box selection. So box selection works as that whatever comes inside the box. So you can select this box by keep pressing the left mouse button and drag the mouse on an area you want to delete. So after dragging, the all lines selected here will be highlighted in the select entities command, and you will be pressing delete button to delete the lines you want to delete. So again I am activating the line command. The second command within the line is the horizontal. So that is the horizontal constraint. It means that the line generated always will be horizontal. So let's say that I cannot move forward, upward or downward. Only I can move from left to right. So this way you can select a horizontal line. Okay. So similarly, there is a vertical line present here. So the line will always be drawn in vertical direction. So it can be drawn up or basically in downward direction. So it cannot go right or left direction. So another command for the line is the angle command. So let's say that uh, by selecting this, I can draw a line at any angle. So that is the way we can use a line, by simply using a angled line command. So to come out of the line command, simply click on select button. So my advice is always draw your sketch according to the reference and start from the origin. If your origin is not visible here, so simply click on that icon and click simply view coordinate system and view origin, then origin will be present here. So the second one in the line command is the center line. So center line command is used simply for the reference line. So that is the basically based on a long dash and a small dash. So that line is also called the construction line. So when the for construction is used within the option, that line is always used as an imaginary line or construction line. If this option is unchecked, then this line will be converted into solid line. So let me delete it, all the lines. The third option of the line is basically called the midpoint line. So midpoint line is kind of this symmetry line that if you are click at the origin and draw a line, it will be extended in both direction. So value will be same on both of the side of your origin. So let's say that the half of the line is created on the right side and half of the line is created on the left side button. So let me delete it. So let's say that I am going to try draw a rectangle here. Our first and the option used is as sketch. So let's say that the first line is created. When there is a yellow symbol present here, it's mean that a horizontal yellow symbol, it's mean that the line is constrained on a horizontal direction. So it is always be generated as a horizontal line. So when click on left mouse button, the first line is created. So when the vertical symbol is appear, it means that the line will always be vertical and vertical constraint will be applied to the line. So you can drag the mouse leftward. When it's reached in above the origin, then there is a reference line will be present here that now your length of the line is as intersection with the origin. So you can drag the mouse and click here. So the closed geometry is complete and the line command is exit here. So once the line command is complete, click select and come out of the line command. So you can use a dimension tool to give a dimension to the line. So that is called the smart dimension. So smart dimension work as that when the smart dimension is activated by clicking the line and dragging the mouse outward and clicking left click, the dimension will be placed. So you can give the dimension to the line. So you can the dimension will appear here. So as you can see that the dimension is placed and two dimensions are enough to define the rectangle here. So right click and exit the select button. So another quick way is to use a mouse gesture by simply right click press and drag the mouse in left direction. There will be a 4 mouse gesture presented here. That is the line command, that is the dimension command, circle command and the rectangular. So at the initial stage there are 4 gestures available here. So by simply highlighting the that command, you can activate fast way the line command, the dimension command and other commands. So at the first stage, default value is set to only 4 commands. You can increase this value by simply going into tools and customize option and click on mouse gesture, and you can change the mouse gesture, which mouse gesture you want to select by simply 2 mouse gesture, vertical, horizontal, 3, 4, 8 and up to 12 mouse gesture, and that mouse gesture will be shown here. Or also you can edit the mouse gesture by simply clicking them. So that is enough for the first day. See you in second day. Thank you.